Hello students, today we are going to see about stereolithography apparatus. So this is one of the technique which is used in the additive manufacturing process. So it is a liquid based technology. Let us move into the class. So about stereolithography apparatus. Stereolithography apparatus is an additive manufacturing process and it is one of the methods of 3D printing, that is a layer by layer manufacturing process which uses an ultraviolet laser to turn the light sensitive resin into a solid 3D object layer by layer. Generally, in this process, a laser is programmed by the programmed according to the CAD model. So here in this technology, the laser scans the resin and the liquid resin is solidified according to the given geometry of the CAD model. So coming to the working principle, the main components of the systems are, first is the vat liquid resin. Okay, so this container consists of the resin, which is a photosensitive resin. The second is the build plate. The third one is the focal spot where the laser light is projected by the optical transmission or optical mirror. The entire process is computer controlled. The table can move up and down direction, that is in the y axis, and the laser light can be focused in the x and z direction. So the table moves in vertical position and the laser light is focused on the table in vertical position and the horizontal position as well. So you can see the diagram 1 and the diagram 2, whereas it shows about the two positions of the process. In the diagram 1 you can see the container which consists of the liquid polymer, platform, a basement, laser beam, laser, and you can see the positioning system. So the table moves in the x, y and z direction as well as the laser. So here the table is controlled by a lead screw for the elevation. And the diagram 2 you can see the secondary position of the table which moves downward. So once the laser gets scanned the liquid resin, it solidifies and the table moves for the next layer. The amount of the movement or the depth of movement is determined by the process parameters. So here the process parameter is the amplitude of the laser light, the movement or the speed of the xy direction of the laser beam, as well as the depth of the table in terms of millimeter. So coming to the working principle, it is one of the rapid prototyping process in which liquid polymer is used as a material for layer by layer 3D printing part building with the help of laser for solidification of liquid resin. In stereolithography apparatus, as per the direction of the laser beam, a layer of liquid resin gets solidified on the platform. This solidification of the liquid layer is used to build the part geometry. So main components of the stereolithographic machine are laser source, container and platform. So laser source. A laser source is nothing but the light amplification stimulated emission of radiation is used to supply a laser to solidify laser resin or the liquid resin to build the pot in layer by layer. The container is the secondary component in which it is filled with the liquid resin. When the laser falls on the liquid resin gets solidified. Next component is the platform. The platform helps in the pot building. The platform can move upward and downward direction. Therefore, during the pot building, the platform moves downwards, so new layers of liquid resin get solidified onto the old solidified layer. So, coming to the advantages and disadvantages of this process, material wastage is minimum, and as well as the part with high precision with smooth finish can be produced. And one more advantage is that transparent objects can be manufactured using this process. The disadvantages is about the curing time and the process time. So the process time takes more and is the highly disadvantage is about the cost of the entire equipment. So as we all know, the latest technology is the additive manufacturing, and nowadays this equipment is cost in lakhs. So that is the main disadvantage of this process. So I hope this video helps you to learn some insights about the stereolithographic process. Let us meet on to the next class with the next process of additive manufacturing. Thank you.